What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video in which we're talking about Near. Alright, Near protocol. Yesterday we got a massive move of about, well in total if you count last night or this night together with it as well. We got a 22% move in a day for such a big project such as Near. That's a big move. So I wanted to give you my thoughts on this. I think we have officially turned relatively bullish here. And I think there's more potential, but in general, we'll do a full update here. I'll tell you what I think is most likely from the current prices, and then hopefully at the end of the video you're optimally prepared for this. Now, first of all, the key reason for the strength from Near is the AI narrative. All right, the AI narrative yesterday and basically since last week has been extremely strong. And today actually still it's quite strong. All right, so something like Fetch, something like Tau is holding up extremely well. The markets are pumping again at this point of time. So AI is still very hot, and I think Near, if you zoom out here, like you can see one of the most important resistance levels we had was this level right here between 4.5 and let's say 4.25. So we already broke above that in the weekend. All right, so after breaking above that, I think we have formed a bullish market structure. Now, does that mean that I think we'll stay bullish forever now? No. All right, Near, look, a lot of this bullish momentum for Near came from the AI narrative. I know some amazing decentralized applications are built on Near, and personally I used to be a big Near holder. But there's no real fundamental shift yet on Near. All right, if you look at the fundamentals, the statistics of Near protocol, DEX trading volumes, daily active addresses, daily transactions are still relatively low. So it's really the market and the AI narrative pushing it up, which is great. But then what you can see on the chart here is that we pushed up to this major resistance level at 5.4 and 5.6. It's a little bit bigger than that. I mean, there's basically resistance in this entire level. So let's just put one line on the chart and keep it simple. Something like this. All right. So somewhere like this is a very strong resistance level. So the big question is, well, do we have enough momentum now on the short term to break above that? Essentially guaranteeing for Near a move of 47% in a matter of a couple of days, because that is what would happen if we would break through this resistance level now. And I don't think Near has that momentum. I think ultimately, I do expect this move, all right? So I do expect us to get into 6.5 and $7, which is the next major price target ultimately, all right? So I do expect that. I just think on the short term, it is more likely that we still have momentum now, so we will pump up slightly higher, but that we will also find resistance here around 5.8, 5.6, pull back a little bit, consolidate, maybe flag down a bit before moving into that area. I think this is, if you take into account the technicals and the fundamentals, I think this would be the most likely scenario. Now, if we are able to break above a level like 5.6 on the daily time frame, so that's something you need to keep an eye on yourself, then I could be wrong, and then we could still see that parabolic move. If Bitcoin, for example, is able to break above 64,000 here, then all of a sudden Bitcoin goes parabolic, the market goes parabolic, and then it's possible, but then I was wrong. All right, and you yourself can keep an eye on that if we actually get that breakout above 5.6, 5.7 on the higher time frames. For now, I still think this is most likely. Short term, I'm bullish. There still is a lot of momentum here, but like I said, I don't think there's enough momentum to break out of this major resistance level, which is at the current prices about 7-8% higher than the current prices. So that's still possible. Then I expect a pullback. Ultimately, longer term, next month, I'm still bullish, and I do think we can get higher. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, have a great week. I'll see you all in my next videos. Bye.